I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6, Spanky.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out D6 Spanky. Today we are obviously in a Lincoln. This is a Lincoln MKZ 2010. I just changed the oil in it for a friend who's out of state, because I'm a good friend like that. So first thing you do is we're going to turn the key to run, so everything comes on. And then you're going to see the oil change required light is going to come on. So the way you change that is we're going to go over here, we're going to hit setup, and it says hit reset to clear, so we're going to hit reset, which is right next to it. And then that comes up. Now we're going to hit setup twice, and now we're going to hold reset. There we go. Done and done. So now, just to double check it, I'm going to turn it off, and turn it back on. And it's gone. Let's see, it'll pop up here. Right, there we go. So that's how we do it. Thanks for checking out channel D6 Spanky. Be sure to click like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, channel D6 Spanky, and you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at D6 Spanky. You can also hook me up and help me out here on Patreon. If you do Patreon, you can help me get better tools, babysitters, so I can make more videos, that kind of stuff. Better cameras, a microphone. I've had requests for microphones. So if you'd like me to get a microphone, go to Patreon. Thanks guys. Take care.